It's gonna be part 2. I was just actually filming a video, but I decided to end it. You guys flying. Yeah, we're almost here, but I figured once we get here, we're probably just gonna start a new load. So I figured I'd end it. Wow, you look at the chat, you already know what's going on. Make sure there's no trucks coming and going back out in the traffic. But yep, like I said, this is part 2. I already did a part 1. I just decided to end it. It was getting pretty long. So this is gonna be part 2. Yeah, enjoy. Oh, we're in Canada now because we just crossed over into the snow. That's nice. Someone flew by me a minute ago as soon as I said lunch. I let you guys saw. Staying off normally. Speeding at 63 here. Noobs, don't die. Last video you fucking crashed a lot. Ooh, we already almost did. And that's my exit. Fuck, this is bad. Oh! We just almost wrecked our shit. I can't turn. Oh, this is a great start. Okay guys, they had to put me at the nearest way station, or not way station, but like fixing station because I screwed up my crap. Oh, whoops. Yeah, I screwed up my crap. Sucks. But I wrecked into snow and I couldn't get out. Wait, how do I get out? Fuck it. Keep this not legit. There it is. I'm just gonna wait for him. Are you kidding me? The trailer some shit, but I can. I can drive right through though where this guy just went, so. Oh, this guy knows me, I guess. What? He said. Okay, whatever. That guy must know me. I don't know. I've seen how I have like 2 subscribers. I mean, I don't know. Give me a second, guys. Okay, guys, we'll just finish this drive because we're almost there. Let's just get this done with. I don't know if there's right on reds here. I don't know if it's legal or not. I hope so. I want to do it. It's green. It should be. Minecraft right on right. I don't know. We're almost there. We need to do. Making it right on the right. We didn't have time to stop for that one. I think that guy got disconnected. And then player, what the oh, I don't fucking know. Look. Fucking slow. Oh, you can see I've seen that guy a few times now. Just pull forward. It's hard to tell if that's red or not. Oh, there he is. I was gonna say he yanked back. Took a minute, but he yanked back. Okay, let's pick up this next load here. And hopefully we can go down to, like, Los Angeles to San Francisco. That'd be a fun drive. I hope. Oh. Got one right here. Not sure where I'm taking the trailer. Oh, auto park, yes. Oh, ass. Like always. Yeah, I'm back. I'm going to New York. I really don't want to go to New York, but we are. Let's go. stop complaining and getting on the road. There's a fence there. I noticed that last second. Well, see if I can get out of here. I might actually have to go back the way I came in. I'm not sure. Ooh, trailer. I don't want to jackknife it here. Give me a minute, guys. Okay, guys, we're getting out of here right now. We're turning. Nope. Wow. We're stuck. Alrighty, again. Okay, guys, got the top out of there. Oh, that place sucked because there was a fence all around, but I got out of there. I'm gonna scroll over quick and see if anyone, once I get a good spot to go over, I'm gonna stop in the middle of the road. See if anyone's in the New York area. Okay, so there's a stop sign and then there's a stoplight. There it is. You decide what one you want to do, I guess. So I'm gonna stop and then go. Nope, screw that red light. There's a stop sign. I stopped. Oh, every time I get stuck on the curb. Like, goddamn, I hate these corners. It's the only thing that sucks about this game. Okay, guys, I just pulled over here to send a message. I was asking if anyone was in New York. I just sent it out. Don't someone's gonna say crap yet. Like, back on the road here. Come on, blinker around. Probably stop at this one. Just checking if anyone said anything. Now I know to take this corner wide, so we're gonna go straight and just whip it right. Almost in the other lane, basically. Come on, now we can do it. You did it! Like I got to see it. You honked back. Well, there's a bump there, but it didn't do anything. Put that brake around to get in the right lane. On the curb a little bit, just a little bit though. Like, speed limit is 60. Yeah, I won't be start going that fast, so you know I have an exit right up here. And we won't be in the snow probably for much longer. This trip probably ain't gonna be very long though, so this video will probably be shorter than the last one. But yeah, we'll see. Depends on if I decide to do another vlog. We'll see how long this one actually takes. Oh, and of course, we hit the curb. Oh, like always, be back in a minute. Okay, we're moving again. I fucking hate cars on there so much. Driving in this one is so fucking it pisses me off. Gotta head on left and get there. Pretty sure there might be a truck in there too. I'm hauling a bus, by the way. Just a tour bus. Not like a school bus or anything. Speeding at 60, just for a minute. Through the snow. We were soon, or at least, this ain't that far of a drive. Probably a good thing I didn't have to go like all the way around, but I wish it'd give me new parts on there. I've been on the western side of America and Canada. And like, I went to Canada just a little bit, but I was only a little bit. I already came through this tunnel getting here, so. This is where I started the videos on the west up here. So right there on the left. 68. Okay, I'm speeding. Maybe we'll get pulled over for now. It'd be nice. I mean, it wouldn't be, but like, I want to get pulled over in this one. See if you can. I've seen people pulled over. I don't know their AIs in it, but they don't look like AIs. Doing 70 as fast as I've gone in this game. Speed limit is 45 through here. So yeah, if you see a cop, we'll get pulled over. See if you can hit 80. Oh, we're dead. We're gonna die. Yep, we're dead. No, we're not. We're dead. We're dead. We died. Oh, right in front of the police station. Come on. Get back up to speed. And it's gonna take us forever to start going fast again. so it's like there's not the top up here until I get over speed limit. Just gonna hold the gas down. There's a sharp corner up here. Right by where I wrecked that last video. Speed limit 55. We're almost speeding. When I was coming this way, there was a cop sitting on the side of my mouth, so let's not die around this corner, that'd be nice. Just cruising. Cruising at 60, speeding at 55. That's a way station. God, yup, I was supposed to stop. God damn it. I think I'd get pulled over for that. I know I'm not driving very legit right now, but it's fun. I want to see if I can get pulled over. I'm almost at the max speed because I'm not going very much faster anymore. Slowing it. I'm hoping there's a cop up here somewhere. It'd be nice. No. Oh, that's a truck. I'm catching GMC. Oh, I seen that guy earlier. That's the guy we passed. Whoa, doing 77. Marty, we're about to see. I fucking missed my corner. Fuck. Pulling over right here. Putting on the four-ways. Looking at the map. Oh, I passed New York exit. God damn it. I don't know I'm going to be able to make a U-turn on. I'm just going to SOS it. Okay, I made it. I'm in New York. I just get gas and shit. I just didn't record it. And then I had to... Oh, wow, I was really good. Fucking pissed. I missed my corner. Way back there. It sucked. So what, the green? Okay, it's green. No, it's red. Okay. Here's where we go. Okay guys, we're here at the place. I'm pulling up right now. It's right over here, I believe. Okay, I'm guessing I'll turn into here where the green semi is. And this is where they pay me my money. I'm hoping. Is this not where they pay me my money? Because usually it pops up. I'm not really sure. Unless maybe I have to continue down this road. Seems like it's dark though, even with the lights on. Do I turn right here? I think I do. We're gonna get caught on this corner. Oh, autocorrect, yes. Go another commercial. Okay guys, that's where I decided to end the video, because that game was just irritating me today. But, yep, thanks for watching.